Vikram Sarabhai, the visionary architect of India's space program. Dr. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai, often hailed as the father of the Indian space program, was a pioneering physicist and visionary who played a crucial role in shaping India's scientific landscape. His contributions to space research, nuclear power, and science education have left an indelible mark on the country's technological advancement. Sarabhai's vision was not just about launching rockets but also about using space technology for the betterment of society, a principle that continues to guide India's space program today. Early life and education, birth and family background. Vikram Sarabhai was born on August 12, 1919, into a wealthy and influential family in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. His father, Ambalal Sarabhai, was a successful industrialist, and his mother, Sarla Devi, was deeply involved in India's independence movement and social causes. The Sarabhai family was known for their patronage of the arts, education, and science, creating an intellectually stimulating environment that greatly influenced Vikram's upbringing. Education. Vikram Sarabhai was initially homeschooled before attending Gujarat College in Ahmedabad. He later pursued higher education at the University of Cambridge in the United Kingdom, where he earned a tripos in natural sciences in 1940. The outbreak of World War II forced him to return to India, where he continued his research at the Indian Institute of Science, IISc, Bangalore, under the mentorship of Nobel laureate C.V. Raman. After the war, he returned to Cambridge to complete his PhD in 1947, where his thesis focused on cosmic rays, marking the beginning of his lifelong interest in space science. Career and contributions. Founding of Physical Research Laboratory, PRL. Upon returning to India, Sarabhai established the Physical Research Laboratory, PRL, in Ahmedabad in 1947, which became the cradle of space research in India. Starting with a focus on cosmic rays and atmospheric physics, PRL eventually expanded its research into other areas of space science. Sarabhai's leadership at PRL laid the groundwork for India's future space endeavors. Role in India's space program. Sarabhai's most significant contribution was his vision for an Indian space program. He recognized the potential of space technology for addressing the needs of a developing country like India. In 1962, he played a pivotal role in the establishment of the Indian National Committee for Space Research, INCOSPAR, which later evolved into the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, in 1969. Sarabhai served as ISRO's first chairman and laid down the organization's mission to develop satellite technology for communication, weather forecasting, and education. Development of satellite technology. Under Sarabhai's guidance, India launched its first satellite, Aryabhat, in 1975, though he did not live to see this milestone. Sarabhai's vision was instrumental in setting the direction for India's indigenous satellite development programs, which have since led to the creation of a robust space infrastructure that includes remote sensing, communication, and navigation satellites. Applications of space technology for development. Sarabhai was a firm believer in the idea that space technology should be harnessed for societal benefits. He advocated the use of satellites for communication, television broadcasting, and education, especially in rural areas. His initiative led to the Satellite Instructional Television Experiment, SITE, in 1975-76, which used satellites to broadcast educational programs to rural India. This experiment demonstrated the power of space technology in bridging the information gap and laid the foundation for India's satellite communication network. Involvement in atomic energy. Apart from his contributions to space research, Sarabhai was also deeply involved in India's nuclear program. He succeeded Dr. Homi J. Bhabha as the chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission of India in 1966 after Bhabha's untimely death. Sarabhai continued Bhabha's work in advancing India's nuclear capabilities, while also emphasizing the peaceful uses of nuclear energy in medicine, agriculture, and industry. Promotion of science and education. Sarabhai was passionate about science education and believed that scientific temper was essential for the progress of the nation. He was instrumental in founding several key institutions in India, including the Indian Institute of Management, IIM, Ahmedabad, the Community Science Centre in Ahmedabad, now Vikram A. Sarabhai Community Science Centre, and the Nehru Foundation for Development. These institutions continue to contribute to the fields of management, education, and development studies. Personal life, marriage and family. Vikram Sarabhai was married to Mrinalini Sarabhai, a renowned classical dancer and choreographer. The couple had 2 children, Kartikeya Sarabhai and Malika Sarabhai, both of whom have made significant contributions in their respective fields, environmental education and the arts. The Sarabhai family has continued Vikram's legacy of combining science, art, and social work. Legacy and honors. Vikram Sarabhai's contributions to science and technology have been widely recognized, both in India and internationally. In 1966, he was awarded the Padma Bhushan, and posthumously, in 1972, he was honored with the Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian award. Various institutions and awards have been named after him, including the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, VSSC, in Thiruvananthapuram, one of the key facilities of ISRO. Death and posthumous recognition. Sudden demise. Vikram Sarabhai passed away unexpectedly on December 30, 1971, at the age of 52, while on a visit to the Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, TERLS, in Kerala. His death was a significant loss to the scientific community, but his vision continued to guide India's space program in the years that followed. Enduring influence. Sarabhai's legacy continues to influence India's space and scientific endeavors. The principles he established, focusing on the peaceful uses of space technology for the development of the nation, remain central to ISRO's mission. His foresight in recognizing the potential of space technology for addressing the challenges of a developing nation has proven to be remarkably prescient, as India's space program has achieved global recognition for its cost-effective and innovative missions, including the Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan missions. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was a visionary whose contributions to science, technology, and education have left a lasting impact on India. His work laid the foundation for India's space program, and his commitment to using technology for the betterment of society continues to inspire generations of scientists and innovators. Sarabhai's legacy is not just in the rockets and satellites launched under his guidance, but in the enduring belief that science and technology, when harnessed effectively, can bring about transformative change for the greater good of humanity.